Alright, welcome to another section of smartphone graphic design. So today we'll be designing a logo, a simple logo, which every one of you, which I know you guys will be able to do it. It's a simple logo. Alright, let's get to business. Change our background color to color white. You can change it to the color of your choice. Then we come to our text, edit. Then you write your name is that your company's name is, maybe let's say, Ola Beauty Glamour. So that will be OBM. So I'll be using BMC, that's Bars Multimedia Concept. BMC. Coming. That's BMC. So we want to give it the font we want to use now. Your pixel art will be different from mine, so I will advise you should use Mozart Black, the font Mozart Black. To be advisable to use that one. So alright, we have it now. So make sure you put everything. Make sure the letter is centered to the middle. Use your relative and vertical alignment to make it centered to the middle. So the next thing we are doing now is we'll be using our max tools. So once you press your max, you enable it. I'm coming. So now, as you can see, we have max in and we have max out. You can see we have max in, we have max out, max in, max out. So we are using max in first. So press OK. After mark, then the next thing we are going to do is what? You copy the same text. You copy it. So we have it here. So make sure you position it to the center, relative and vertical alignment. Then the next thing is go back to your max tools. Then you max out. As you can see, we brought out the text back. So we have max out. Then the next thing is do what? We press what? Mark. So the next step now is to give it a spacing, so we can have a little bit of space in the middle of the two tests. So next thing is we are going to bring it down a little bit. I'm coming. Just make sure you are able to position it so it will rhyme with each other. Coming, because of the way it was marked. So let's increase it a little bit. Alright, I think we have it now. We have it now. So now we have the word. Now you see, it looks like we are having a thin line in the middle of the two tests. So the next step now is we are going to write the full meaning of the abbreviation of the words we use. We're writing the full name now. So before doing that, we have to lock the two tests we used first. So to come here, then you write the full name. Bars Multimedia Concept. multimedia concept. So we have our test now. So the next thing I'll be doing is what? I will change the font of the test. Alright. So let me tell you the font I used for this. This is, I used Keep Calm Medium. And at your own side, you might not have Keep Calm Medium. You might have, which other font is on the other this thing. Try using, but check you have Keep Calm Medium, or you should check any sans serif font you can use. You understand? Or you should look for a font that looks exactly like this. So the next thing I'm doing is I'll position it under it to center under it. But since I have to enlarge this a little bit, you use your relative position, make sure it is in the middle. We have it like this. But because of the way the stuff look like, the next thing I'll do is I'll make sure I position it well like this. Alright, so we have it now. As you can see, we have our thin line and we have under it bars multimedia concept. You see how simple this logo looks like? You can use it for your business and position it all to the middle. Now everything is in the center. Then put it to full screen. You can see how simple the logo looks like. And if I wish, okay, for them to know the kind of thing I'm doing, I can just look for a symbol that signifies graphics design and place it on each test. But this one is a simple logo but has multimedia concept. From the name, people know, okay, multimedia, that means you guys are doing this, doing that. By the time you place it on your main design, whereby you have everything written on it, they will understand, okay, Baz multimedia concept, okay, is into multimedia stuff. So this is a simple logo design. So you can save it to your project and save it to your phone at the same time. So before I close this, I want to teach you how to save your project as PLP, whereby you can send it to other people, whereby they can also edit it. Since it's a pixel lab format, that's the pixel lab format, so PLP. So it will be easy for, maybe you want to send it to another person to help you edit something in the test. You can send the PLP to them. So once they add it to their pixel lab project, they'll be able to edit anything that is on that file. So let me teach you how to do that. Once you come to your save button, save as project. Let me save it as project. Logo design tutorial template. Then I press OK. Logo design template done. See, it has saved. It has been saved already. The next thing is I will come to where I will see my project, the tools I was saying. You see there I have logo design template. So the next thing, for it to become a PLP file, the next thing I'll do is what? I'll press share. You see it's brought saved logo template dot PLP file. So I have it like that. So I will teach you how you can import a PLP file whereby you will see it. So let's cancel this new project. Then I come here to my project icon here. Then I have PLP. Under the PLP, if I should go to Pixel Lab, let me look for Pixel Lab. You see it brought it out, logo design template. Once I tap on it, it will ask, do you want to open only or open and add? Open only means I can just open it and edit what I want to edit, then get out. I can later add it to my project. But open and add, immediately I tap on open and add, it will add it to the project file and it will also open it. So let's open and add. See it brought out the open and add. So once I tap on my project stuff back, it will bring it to, I see logo template. So that is how to add, that's how to turn your project to PLP for other people to be able to edit them. Alright, that's that for today's class. See you in another section of this smartphone graphic design. Alright, have a nice day. Make sure to subscribe. Oh my